Nope. Mm-hmm. What the hell? Hello? Mm-hmm. Hello, Tomer. Mars, just Cavino. Welcome, people. We've officially started. How I end this thing. Unpin. Um. How you doing? Okay. What are we doing today? I think we were still working on the Twilight, but I want to figure everything out. Happy, what's today? Monday? No, Wednesday? Yo, hey Tannis. Headed back to the basics. Animation for charging. Larger hitbox on interacting. Honestly, I don't think we need to do this anymore. Oh, here. Where's my screen? Wait, let me grab my... Okay. How you doing, Atanis? We should do something special for Stream 500. On some government project. Hurry up and wait. Cool. You know Kolkis, right, Hatenis? Yeah, he's been talking a lot about your streams lately. Larger hitboxes is solid. Hell yeah. So yeah, I think we probably will ignore this. I think we got the... Yeah, we have the charging working. I'm not sure if it's perfect, and I think all level design needs to change because of it. But we'll go through it. Now that I have like a fresh brain today, maybe I'll play a little bit better. Here, let's see. Don't want to put his business out there, but he recently had a big win in the tech space. Hell yeah, I didn't know that. Tess didn't say anything to me. Maybe I'll ask. Money on a bash on a bash project. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, we were messing with this. I can't even dash out anymore because okay. So we need to figure out what we want to do about early input. Because right now I think we disabled it at the moment. We need to figure out what we want to do there. Oh, but look at that! I'm playing like a pro now. Sort of, not really. I don't know if it's I don't know if I'm playing super. Okay, here's the other issue though. It doesn't feel as like, or it's not consistent with the rest of the game. Right now, usually you have 0.5 seconds. Here, wait. Let me bring out the paint. So usually, I think with all orbs or like most mechanics in the game, you mean some input queuing. So, yeah, it's yeah. I get. You can call it. It's really only there's only ever like one other move queued right after. Yeah, but I'm trying to think because we started adding like a whole bunch of other like Let me try to get my let me try to get everything accounted for. 1 second. Oh, why aren't you? Why isn't chat here? What the flip, dude? What the hell? Did I close it? Did I just close it? No, it's OBS, and I did close it. No, I didn't close it. What the hell? Where'd it go? Here. Oh, apparently it got put in here. But also, Rethel, welcome. Okay, so right now, if the we'll use orange. If our player enters, let's say they enter the force dash orb, they have, you know, what is it? I believe it's 0.1 seconds to 0.5 seconds of, like, I guess, window of opportunity. One, if they press dash right away, they'll just exit at 0.1 seconds, and then they can stay in it until 0.5 seconds. Same thing with the portal mechanic. Same thing with the portal mechanic, and then same thing with same thing with how we're setting up our Twilight state when they dash normally. So if you're, this one's a little bit different compared to all of the other mechanics, but basically if you don't press anything, you'll just exit at 0.1 seconds, and if you hold it, you'll exit at 0.5 seconds. And then also it increases your dash distance by double. So here it's what, 200 pixels, or wait, what's 40? Well, here, I'll just say 40 tiles. 40 units to 80 units. The issue that we have with this is that the player can hold it, let go, whatever happens here. And then originally, what we also had happen is that while you're in the dash state, you can also exit. So if you're in the Twilight dash state, let's say it's already been let's say we're 0.15 seconds. A typical dash, goes from 0.2 seconds to 0.4 seconds. Let's say we're at let's just say we're at 0.3 seconds. Where's our erase? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, there we go. Let's say we're at 0.4 seconds. And we dash out at or we put input. Okay, wait, no, there are a few issues. I remember we have two issues here. The player's only allowed to dash out at this 0.1 second mark too. So we have like some input queuing. If they press it within this section, it'll just make sure that they dash out at this 0.1 second mark. But then they also have, full freedom to dash out during this whole section right here. And yeah, I think we already have, we do have a timer for this, but I think I don't like the name I gave it. It's slightly confusing. So here, wait, Twilight. Oops. Twilight. Early dash. So yeah, I think we call it early dash duration, and I think what I'm going to call it is like a lock dash timer. So let's call this square right here. For 0.1 seconds. But then, yeah, we want to make sure that if they did press it, then right after dash, yeah, early dash equals true. Or, you know, can early dash. And I'm wondering, should we just say like, do we even need to say can early dash, or can we just say early dash input? We'll have like a lock dash variable and then a early dash input variable, and I think that's pretty much it. And I think that solves for everything. The only issue right now is that we only, I think in our original code, we were only accounting for like this sort of mechanic, and then also only for these two mechanics. Now that we introduced this whole like hold dash, you know, charge dash thing, I think some things might be slightly broken. So I have to figure out what's going on there. Let me see what we committed last time too. Not sure if we did anything there. Raycast. We fixed the Twilight collision issue. Okay. So new variables that we're going to add are lock dash, or perhaps this is a C right here, and early dash input. All right, let's do this. Here, should I copy this? Is there a option to just copy image? Copy? Does this copy the whole thing? Or do I have to flatten first? Ooh, interesting. That's kind of cool, but I want the whole thing. Move down, merge down. Okay. Yeah, I should be putting more of these on Discord too. I remember I did, and then resources. I don't remember where I put this. Is it in Project Showcase? Yeah, let's put it here. Or art. It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Purely, is the server still up? Oh shit. Yes. Can we get a link to it, please? I know. Sorry, I'm demanding. I need to fight for the light. Oops. Manually unpinned? Oh, yes. Wait, this is not what I wanted. I wanted the game. Oh, there's a link. Oh, I can't read this. Is it this one? You know, I think you would have scored higher if the font was easier to read. People really hated the Kenny font. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm not fighting for the light. How do I leave? Exit. Oh. Start. Start. Start work. Main menu. Start. Start. Wait, am I logged in automatically? Oh. Oh, H A D. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna mute it this time though, and mute SFX, mute music, mute SFX. Okay. Okay. All right. What shenanigans was I just talking about? I have a doctor's appointment at 1:15. I should check how long it takes me to get there, but I think I'll end the stream at like 12:30. So it gives me 3 hours. Let me double check. Oh, 1:30. So I can leave at 12. So I have an hour, 3.5 hours. All right. Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, we have this early dash. I'm gonna change this. Let's get rid of it. Or yeah, let me see. Can't early dash. Yeah, so let's do this. I don't like the name of this. Let's get rid of it. What are you using to display the number of viewers? I think it's specifically that one is what is it? Stream Elements. They have some random browsers that you can throw into your stream. Stream Elements. It actually might even be. Yeah, I think it's Stream Elements, but it actually might be. Let me check. I don't even remember. Specifically, that one might be even Streamlabs. No, yeah, it's Streamlabs. Streamlabs. I don't use Streamlabs, but I was like, they were the only ones who had YouTube and Twitch, so I was like, let me grab it. So here, let me rename this to lock early dash. I don't like how we call it duration. It should be just timers. Lock early duration timer, and then yes, and then let's get rid of this signal. Or let me see what it's doing here. Actually, you know, in fact, I want to get rid of connecting timers this way. I want to do it on like on the ready here. Do we have something called connect? No. Okay, let's go back. Let's go in here. Connect signals. Lock early dash. Oh wait, okay. I forgot like the syntax in foreign. Connect. What the hell? Oh. What was it? Timeout. Okay. And we're gonna create a new timer or a new variable called lock. See, I think we had an early dash variable, but see, early dash. Lock early dash. Can early dash. Do we, what the hell? Can early dash. Yeah, I want to change it to lock early dash just because. Okay. If can early dash. There's so much freaking, we also have early dash input. Okay, so, here, let's get rid of this for a second. Put it over here. And create a new variable called lock. Oh, let's just start changing this. Or you know what? Let's say can lock can dash. Or we'll see. Should I just get rid of this entirely for now? Yeah, let's get rid of all of it. And then, yeah, we're gonna get rid of this too. Okay. What the hell? Oh, okay. And now, wait. Let's go back in here. Connect signals. Singles. Okay. And say timer durations. Lock early dash timer dot wait time is equal to pre. Do we have anything? I don't think so. This will be 0.1 seconds. Oh. Here we wrote 0.05, but well, it seemed like 0.05 was fine, but then now things are a little weird. So we'll have to see. You know, I think it's not that it was weird. I think it was just that we were starting the timer incorrectly. Since we changed some stuff around. Okay. What the hell? What do we call it? Or is it? Lock hand dash. I'm trying to. What's a good name for this? Should I just do can early dash? Try it out. Oh wait, sure, we'll keep it there. All right. So on our early dash, we'll start the. We should clean this up. See, there's so much going on here. Start early dash lock. This is on. Yeah. So that timer lasts for 0.1 seconds, and then. And then while you're in the update dash, you also need to make sure that well, if you start a timer, it resets either way. So yeah, that should be fine. Now let's go into yeah, let's leave it here for now. Let's go into I think on update dash. See right here we say if not lock dash, then all of this stuff. I'm trying to think if the force dash orb ruins anything. Specifically this exit pre-twilight pause. I don't think it should matter. And if force dash orb. Well yeah, this just puts the player back into the dash state. And then if on floor on bounce object, oh my goodness. Fun floor on wall. These are all just collisions. But the mechanic itself. Okay, yeah. Pre-twilight pause, force dash orb. Trying to see if we can organize this a little bit. It's pre-twilight pause. Force dash just puts us into the dash state. So yeah, we don't need this here. Or we'll leave it like that. I'll put this. Oops. If can early dash. What was it? If can early dash and early. I don't think we put early dash input. I wonder if we even need early dash input. Yes, we do. Here, let's do this. Func handle. Do we have something called early dash input? Start. Okay, no. Yeah, let's do this. Handle early. And what we'll do here is if can early dash, or if. Let's get this. let's do this. What do we can early dash? We can just say this. Turn can early dash, return true. Wait, no. Wonder, can we say? I wonder if we want to set this to true here. No, we don't need to. Is the RPG still running? It is still running. I took down the land right now. The land calculation stuff. Just because I think it's too much. I'm still gonna give people. I have to figure out a way to balance it so that. Yeah, we just had too many numbers going on, and it's like. Yeah, just too much. But yeah, it is still running. So yeah, if early dash and can early dash, then we'll say turn that and then return true. I guess we don't need this too. Yo, Magnetonics, how's it going? How goes it? Yeah, it's been going well. How's your game coming along? So yeah, we don't need any of this anymore, I don't think. So yeah, get early. Oh, but then also, yeah, get early dash input. We'll say, I think, what was it? We had to return the, actually, I don't know. Wait, let me see. I assume it's just a dash state, but we also have to check if the player can dash, right? So yeah, if can Twilight dash, yeah, this. Here. But not if can, yeah, wait. Can, boom, 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 boom. There we go. I had to take a from IRL stuff, but slowly. Oh, you had to take a. Oh yeah. Me too, actually. Less. I mean, it's all IRL stuff, but it was still like game dev related. But I didn't see myself wanting to stream like admin stuff nearly as much. I think this is definitely more fun to stream. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this is a lot cleaner, but I don't think we're accounting for like resetting these values. We can either do it here. And then also on the entrance on enter state. I don't know if we did that just yet. Well, let me see. So yeah, can early. So start early dash lock, can early dash is set to true. And I guess we also want to say early dash input is equal to false. And I think that should be it. Can early dash. All right. So then on the entrance of the dash state, just run early start early dash lock. You can get rid of this. What's this? Holding input on enter dash. Yeah, we should have another variable that says like reset valuables on entrance. I mean, that's this, but like there's so much going on here now that I kind of want to clean it up. Should we do that now? Reset enter dash variables. What's this? Force dash. Do we even use this ever? Let's get rid of it. Only 3 until, yeah. Let's go, Daniel. But, Magnetomics, I hope things are... Hope the game is still, in a state that you'd like. Or, you know, you're looking forward to working on it some more. Reset enter dash. So, say this, bars. Timer. Current twilight velocity, motion. Just throw this on here. All right. And then twilight dash duration. Where's dash coyote? Yeah, I kind of want to update these a little bit too, but all right, force dash, if force dash orb, if force dash fly orb. You know, I feel like these both should be, what's this? 0.05, and then this one's 0.5. I wonder if we should just make it, I kind of like the idea of holding it, but it's inconsistent with how we handle, it's like the opposite. What the hell? Why is there a heart here? Oh, I see. I don't know. What is this from? Yes. So sweet. Wait, I pinned this? Why did I was trying to pin... I was trying to pin something else. Getting past the refactoring into some new stuff finally. Hell yeah. Yeah, that is fun. That's sort of how I feel right now with Memory. Like redoing or like updating this mechanic is like, I think this is like prime game dev for me. It's fun messing with like making the game feel satisfying or responsive. Force dash orb. Okay. Yeah, I don't like how we're writing this, but I'm not even sure what force dash coyote is doing at the moment. Let me see. Force dash. Oh, I see. Okay. I don't know if did we account for everything? Let's just, I guess let's check. See, we're exiting. Is it not resetting? Oh. Interesting. Practical? Let's see. I think I messed up our, see? Enter not twilight. Oh, wait. Twilight area. Get early dash input. Update twilight dash. If can twilight dash, is this here? Wait, let me see. What the hell? Dude, we're being bamboozled here. Okay. Something very strange is happening. See? So it's fine if I don't press anything. And then if I dash out, what the hell is going on there? Is it one? I assume it's this. Let's see. Oh shit, wait, I don't want this one. Actually, it doesn't matter. It's never running either way, so let's see. What the hell? What the flip, dude? Something is very weird. We're exiting way too fast. So, get early dash. Can twilight dash. This, is not being set properly. It's equal to false. If our previous state was not this, end does not equal teleport. This is set to false. And this is the only time it gets here. Let's see. Whoops. Yeah, this should not be set to false. Are we like in the ground state or something? Or maybe start twilight dash, force dash orb. I guess what state are we in? Are we in the false state or something? That's probably what it is, but I want to see. Okay, stop. Can we die? All right, there we go. Oh no. Where's our print statement? Previous state was 1, which is what? Yeah, Twilight Fall. Okay, yeah, let's fix this. All we need to say is if you exit the the in twilight state that it's in twilight. Can twilight dash is equal to true. Wait, oops. I hope I'm not. Oh wait, no. Yeah, exit in twilight. When okay on enter twilight and if force dash. I wonder if this was a bug, or maybe we like. Cause I thought this was working in the older version, and now it's like all strange. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, now it's good. There we go. Everything. Oh, yep. Good. All right, yeah, I think it's good now. I'm not sure why we locked there. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Oh, is it because we pressed we did an early dash input and we're not maybe we're not resetting that variable? Because we pressed it here and then we're saying can early dash is set to true again. Or maybe, perhaps. I don't know. Let's see. What the hell? If you get an early dash. Okay. Oh, this is a design issue. Wait. Okay. Let me see. Okay. If you early dash out from a twilight, you're forced you don't move anymore. Should we make it so that if you early dash, there's no lock? So at the moment, if you early dash, then we start the timer all over again, and the player is locked for however many seconds, 0.1 seconds, or if they hold it, then it could be up to 0.5 seconds, which is like it ruins the like the momentum of gameplay. But if we remove it, I feel like it might be like kind of might be confusing. Let me see. If early dash input, so yeah, can early, and then we just change the player back into the state, and then we start, the timer again. Remove pre. We could try removing it, but I don't know if that's gonna. I don't know what's gonna happen there. Hmm. Right now it's 0.1 seconds. Hmm. So we can have an early twilight dash duration. Wait, oh wait, no, not pre twilight dash. Early twilight, early pre. And that could be 0.05 seconds. But I don't know if this is gonna feel good. Any sort of break might look ugly. Um let's see. Early enter. Yeah, start early dash lock. When are we reset variables here. So start early dash lock, can early dash. We're resetting variables here. Um are we resetting this one? Unstart early dash lock. Okay. So if early dashed, we do it here. Change direction. The previous state was equal to in twilight and ground, else this, and then max. What was it called? Early pre dash duration. And I'd say, I mean, yeah, you can still technically do this. Let's confirm that. And then, oh, hmm. Okay. I don't like it. Maybe I wonder if it needs to be. I wonder if we need to start recording input after like 0.1 seconds, because if you press it too quickly, then it's like it's weird. But I don't know. It's better if we simpler. I don't want to start creating like a bunch of rules for no reason. Really dashed. Force dash orb. Start twilight pause. The other thing I don't like. Wait, let me see something. At the moment we're saying this, if player input yeah, if they're holding it. So if you press it, dash input. I think I want to get rid of this. So if they were holding input on dash. You can get rid of this completely. In pre-twilight. Force dash orb, start twilight dash. Something is wrong here. Like, what's forcing the player to start this if this doesn't happen? See, can't really. On floor, force dash orb. Oh, just this itself. In pre-twilight pause. Get rid of it for a second. Are we double dashing there? What the hell's going on? I'm gonna get rid of this. I think that was the issue. Okay. But now we can't dash out just yet. Oh wait, what the hell is going on there? Okay. The force dash orb is I'm pressing enter on force dash orb. Or pressing dash on force dash orb, and then the second we exit, I'm dashing again. I think it's still recording our early dash input. Let me see something. Early dash input. Maybe this shouldn't happen, maybe. because early dashed. I guess we're already pressing this start, and it hasn't been reset anymore. Yeah, I think we're complicating this a little bit. But let me see. Or wait. Mm-hmm. Why is it stopping there? After hitting a wall, it's like not resetting some of our variables. I'm trying to replicate it, but I can't. Now it feels fine, but yeah, there's something weird about this. Like right there. Twilight dash, force dash coyote. Holding dash on enter is false. Twilight dashing false. In pre-twilight pause is true. So if we're in a twilight, if our previous state was the ground, we do this. That's fine. If we're not, we set it to the max pre-twilight dash duration. And then it's based on if the player was holding dash input. And then when are we setting this to false? We should be setting it here. Yeah. So that's fine. In pre-twilight, pause. If our previous state was not twilight and it's not the ground, we can do this. And then if they're holding it, we say return true. Okay, I think I know what the issue is. Here we're saying min pre-twilight dash. Um, and we only check for early dash input when they're from the wall, not from this. So I guess what we'd have to do is if early dashed, they'd always dash from the direction that they want. So we would need to keep this. Okay, that's a little better. It's still weird though. We still have to fix our 4 stash orbs. Okay. Let's figure out the 4 stash orb now. Update Twilight Dash. So yeah, technically we're already in the Twilight pause. This one's a little different. It's not if they're holding, it's if they're... I wonder if we want to change that around a bit. Fin pre-twilight pause. What did we do before? Let me see. Exit pre-twilight pause. Start to dash. How do we handle the in twilight pause? Oh, I think it just handles on itself, but or it handles itself, but because right, we run this. If force dash orb can twilight dash this whole thing. But if there's dash input, what was it like? Get early dash. Let's see. Okay, I think we have it now. Yo, Aya, how's it going? No, we do not have it yet. You see? So yeah, we can't, it doesn't seem like we can. In pre-twilight pause, if force dash orb, get early dash input. Return true if can early dash. If early dash input and can early dash. Can early dash is set 1. Lock early dash timer. Dot start. When are we setting this wait time is equal to lock early dash duration, which is 0.1 seconds. So it should have worked, no? 0.1 seconds. It specifically for this one, it should be 0.05 seconds, but yeah, nothing's happening at all. Good to see you. Yeah, good to see you too. What you been up to? Second. Nice second. Oh shit. Oh shit. How are we gonna test this? Here, wait. Can early dash is set to true. Here, wait, let's go into our force dash orb. Force, or sorry, update. Twilight pause. Can early dash input. So obviously it keeps running this. So one of these are false. See? Having smelling salts for the rush. Oh, specifically, I don't care for this. Oh my god. Here, wait. I mean, I do care for it, but I only care if it's happening here. Okay. So yeah, they're both false right now. There. It's gonna be a long. Can early dash input. Here, let me try being good. Neither one of these are true. Oh, okay. So, the early dash input is set to true. Yeah, we should also say print lock early dash timer dot time left. Let's see what's going on there. No, it's not saving. Start over. We should have a second command. Oh, well, yeah, we should still see this timer. So 0.08. Oh shit. Oh no, I closed it accidentally. Wait. 0.7. It's too much time. I think that's the issue. We have our early dash input at 0.05, but the minimum or I think usually we set it to 0.05 seconds for the force dash orb. So I guess what we could do is on let me just make sure. Yeah, here we set it to 0.1 seconds. It's still strange though, because I'm pretty sure the timer for the force dash orb is 0.5 seconds. We have so much time. Let me see. See, like that's at 0.5 seconds. We should have at least left at the 0.1 second mark, or not. So force dash orb, get early dash input. Player dot dash input, return true. Can early dash. Yeah, here we set it to here, let me set it to like a second so we can just debug for now. Yeah, what the hell? I'm never able to we're never able to exit. So get early dash input. Can early dash. What's it called? Force dash orb. Mm-hmm. So all of this is false. Time left is 0.01 seconds. Oh, wait. Can't really. Here's our issue. This was supposed to be here. Early dash input is set to true, and then if can't early dash, return that. And then, oh my goodness, that's why. Oh, actually, no, that it shouldn't have mattered. Early dash inputs should be set to true. What the hell? See? On the next frame, is it true? No. We only set it to false here. What the flip, dude? Yo, North Pole, how's it going? Yeah, it's still saying false. What the hell? What the hell? Maybe force dash orb like overrides our player input. If that's the case, it's like it's not good. No, okay. So bruh. It's interesting. Okay, so right now, force dash early dash input is set to true. We're entering the state. What happens next? And it's I guess I'm pressing dash right before I collide with this node. So yeah, the second we get into force dash, then it's true this whole time, and then all right, let's see. Enter Twilight Dash, early dash input, and then if force dash or we do this whole thing. And then pre-Twilight Dash, early pre-Twilight Dash. What are we doing with this variable? And then we're resetting it back to false. Should we say... The thing is, no, something is still wrong here. Because, like, let's say I'm doing it now. Yeah, because I'm pressing dash now. Force dash input is equal to true, and then early dash input set to true, and still nothing's happening. So no, something else is wrong here. Early dash input. Okay, let me not run this for a second. I don't know why the hell this is not working. Oh, I know what. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. There we go. Whew. We have infinite dashes? Okay. Well, I think that's an easy fix. Hopefully. Okay. Let's try that one more time though. Make sure it's good. We should be able to hold it as well. So if I went like this. Let's see. Shit. it looks a little weird when you're exiting. Okay, so I wonder if we still need this. Let me see, early or dash, interior dash. So yeah, it was just a smooth brain issue the whole time, and I think we don't necessarily need if early dashed, or early dash should be set back to false at this point. Or ideally, let me try removing this for a second. We're dashing out, and then we're put into the timer again. This area is looking nice. Color palette. Thank you, thank you. It's actually kind of similar to like not really, obviously not the color palette, but I know there's a chapter in Celeste that's like green and pink. How's it going? How's it going, Rebel? Why are we in this force dash orb? It's like our input is not being reset. Let's get early dash input. Here, let's get rid of all of this now that we know. Oh, did we set that timer? I think we set that timer to 1 second, which is ridiculous. Where was that? Okay. That still doesn't solve, or maybe it does. Let's see. Like, maybe that timer's not going out? Yeah, what the hell? Why is that happening? We dashed out, and then it's like registering a second input. I think if we exit a dash, I think we want to say, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. In pre-twilight pause says in. Yeah, here I think we also want to say maybe get charge dash duration. This, I'm not sure if this should happen in this state, but start twilight dash if force dash orb. Oh man, this is a twilight pause dot stop. Shouldn't we reset everything too? Early dash input. Yeah, I think these two need to go get set back to false. Even though they both should already be false. I don't know. I don't get in pre-twilight. Yeah, let's see. No, dude, it's still happening. What the hell? So now, get early dash input. Oh, is it because of this? Whoops, what about there? So now, get early dash input. I think it might be because of this. Get early dash input. Let me see. All right, yeah, so it's that. Hmm. Interesting. It might be a skill issue. I can't tell if it's a skill issue or a design issue. I think it's a skill issue. Yeah, because it doesn't happen here. Okay. Um. Should I add another timer? Or you know what it is? On start early dash, start twilight dash. This is when the timer should be reset, not when you enter the twilight state. Here, let me see something. So we have early dash accounted for when you lock the early dash, but we also have early dash when you can, while you're already in the dash. And yeah, I wasn't like, I guess I'm not differentiating the two. Yeah. Okay. That's the issue. On enter dash. Right here we're saying can early dash, but this is early dash from yeah, we have to get better at differentiating what's going on here. In fact, wait. Can early dash is false. Early dash input is false. If we remove this completely, and only put it when you are in the dash, that's what's supposed to, that was what's supposed to happen. So when we start the Twilight Dash is when this is supposed to happen. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. Let's see. Okay, I think we got it. I think it's perfect. It is interesting that you can like, I guess it's a skill issue that I'm like clicking it right when I collide with that node. But I guess that's, or like, that's not my intention. But that's a me problem, I think. Okay. Now what? Is everything good now? I didn't notice any other issues. Start Twilight Dash. Specifically, let's go back into Twilight Dash. Right now we're saying exit pre-Twilight pause. Here, if you press, you know what's interesting though? It says, if holding input, you know what we should do? Because this only happens on the entrance, right? I feel like if the player is holding input, we should set holding input to true, even on the exit pre-Twilight pause, because then they can start doing it. And it's based on, oh, I don't know, that might be weird. But what are we doing here on this get early dash input? Wait, what the hell? Oh, we have early dash input, and then we also have, okay. I think we're good. Let me see something. Let me just make sure. Enter substate or enter Twilight Dash. If force dash orb, we say pre-Twilight dash orb duration. That's that. So we're not doing early dashed input anymore, I guess. I think that makes sense. And then if we're in pre-twilight or twilight ground, it's the minimum, which is 0.1 seconds. And then if it's anything else, we do max. And then we check if they were already holding the dash input. But let me see something. No, I think it's perfect. The only thing that might be broken now is the flight orb. Or, yeah, I don't know if our flight orb needs to change now. And same with our portals. Our portals might be a little different. Oh. This room is not perfectly designed either. A lot of things are going to change here. Oh, God. Collision shapes. Oh. I think it's... I hope it's in a good... I think it's in a good state. It's a lot better than what it was. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. Let's go into the flight orbs now. Let's get rid of everything we're printing here. What happened here? Oh, shit. Force dash direction. Was there something here? Shit. What was this? So I can die. What did I just erase? Let's just see. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Uh oh. Let's see. I don't know if this actually works to just set their position like this. I don't think it does. I have to update this. Oh my god. Yo. Mohammed, thank you. A new node. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my goodness. We can't early dash from walls? What the hell? Uh, 0.1 seconds? Change directions if exit twilight pause. Get early dash input. Is that? Oh. Oh. Well, this part, I feel like, oh. So for specifically for the force dash orb, we're just saying get early dash input. But then for walls, we're just saying, oh, can you exit? But, and then once we're already out, we're like, oh, you know, it's fine now. Okay. And what, am I pressing it on collisions with the wall first? Is that why we can't dash out? It shouldn't matter. Let me see. Oh, if early dash input, if can twilight dash. Wait, yeah, what the hell? We should have this. Whoops. Oh, God. Has it really only been 1.1 seconds when that happens? Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. Set this to true. Can't early dash. Timer is set to... Setting this to true. Early dash lock. And we set this to 0.1 seconds. So 0.1 seconds after they start the dash, it's already like... Let me see. I'm going to set this to 0.5 for just testing. Okay. Yeah, it's an issue with our early dash duration. Lock early dash. What, like maybe on forced dashes they need to be 0.2 sec. I don't know if I like creating so many new rules. Start early dash. What did I set it to? 0.2? Or did I set it? Here, let me try just 0.2 first. Maybe 0.2 is just better. The hell? Yeah, it feels like it does feel so much better to put it at 0.1 for the wall and then 0.2 for the force dash, but I don't know, that feels weird. Let's see. What the hell? What the hell? Lock early dash duration, 0.1 seconds. Start dash, lock early dash duration. Lock. What the hell? What is this? What the hell? Oh, on Twilight Dash. What the hell? Start Twilight Dash. Twilight Dash. What the hell? Start Twilight Dash and um. Oh, why is this here? Start early dash lock and then start early dash. Yeah, this needs to go. Dude, what the hell is going on? I can't dash out. Or it takes too long. Maybe we gotta make that timer shorter on walls. Yeah, because what the hell? Let me see. Oh, what the hell? This is not the right timer. That's why. Down. 105. Early dash. Something weird is happening. Set timer durations. What is this? Oh yeah, that's fine. Oh. So if we're on the floor, we're just saying change to the ground. No, something dude. What are we up today? We're just breaking more stuff. We did make a lot of progress, and now I'm like, now something else is kind of weird. I think we'll definitely get it done, hopefully by in the next like 5 minutes. But yeah, seems like this timer. Lock early dash. Can early dash is false. Early dash input. And then once we're in here. We used to have this and now we don't. But I think it matters where this is. Yeah. Okay. All right. I think and this. Get early dash input. Or, sorry. Although, I wonder, for specifically for walls, and in Twilight, I feel like we're not even going to use this anymore. Oh, wait, no. And it's not equal ground. We don't have any, what about foreground? In pre-Twilight pause. This is not pause. This is, shit, dude, I'm confusing myself here. When are we handling... Yeah, early dash input. Yeah, we needed this here. Okay, yeah, okay. I think we got it now. I messed up somewhere. See? Something is very weird for me, though. I don't like that we're still pausing on certain collisions. Like this lock early dash duration is... It just doesn't feel good. Ugh. I think we'll get it. I think I know what we need to do. It's just... Let me also make the player invincible. For like 2 weeks. See, like the fact that we exited that, I mean, is technically... Did we get it? I don't know why we paused there. Yeah, that one's weird. Something... Maybe we're not, like, resetting one of these timers correctly. Yeah, like right there. What was I wasn't holding it. It's just like... Yeah, right there. What the hell's going on there? Interesting. Oh, okay. If I double tap it... So yeah, something's wrong with our input here. And I think it has to do with the, this hold input thing. Let me see. Charge dash duration, no. Boom. Points. Is this still up? I hope. In pre-twilight pause. Get. I think this is the issue. Or maybe I should just bring this back. Maybe that'll fix something. Yeah, I think there's something broken here, but... Okay, so, I mean, that issue is gone, but I don't know if it introduced some more issues. I can sign up. You can, but it's a very, you know, it's very competitive. We're getting dozens of applications every day. Yeah, something is... Ooh! See, right there, that shouldn't have happened. For your flagship project, Roller Cubes. It feels good, actually. There's like some weird edge case that I'm too smooth to figure out. It happened just there. Yeah, right there. It happened right here. I don't know what that's about. That was a good room to test out, though. Here, let's put our player there. I think what it is that our timer it still runs if you're in the middle of a dash. What the hell? Yes. Yes. Perhaps. Let's see. So if I set the timer to 0, or what is it at right now? It's crazy though. I put it at 0.05 second. Like, lock for it. What is this though? Force dash orb. Lock early force dash is 0.2 seconds. No, but it's not that anymore. We're already past this, I think. Here, wait, let me. It's gonna be annoying to put a. Let's see, force dash. Can't twilight dash to force dash orb, force fly orb. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Okay, so we've put our player into the force dash, or the thing is, we're not actually force dashing anymore. We're force dash. Oh God. I guess that's the issue. Is in the force in the fly orb, it's a little I guess we just didn't account for that one. I wonder what that is. Okay, okay. What the hell? But it works here. Interesting. Okay. Mm, pre-twilight. We're not even in the orb for that long. I think we start pre-twilight pause. On the fly orb is 0.05, and then here it's 0.5. In pre-twilight pause. Current time. This one's 0.5, and then this one's 0.05. I wonder why we did that. And I wonder if it makes a difference. Um, Here, let's just do this for a second. Oh, whoops. Oh my god, it's still happening. Um, in pre-twilight pause. I want to change this. I want to rewrite this part. End pre-twilight pause. We should just have it say start twilight dash. That's it. Yeah, because now we have a timer, and then we're saying, oh, do all this stuff, and then do this. Start pre-twilight dash. That's confusing me. All right. I don't know if I should take a break here. Try to figure this out. Oh, wait a second. Start Twilight Dash. We're running this twice. Oh, wait, are we? Yeah, because we're saying start Twilight Dash here. But then we're saying true and... let me see. In pre-twilight pause, false. Yeah, this is not good. Also, if our previous state is not in twilight or it's not in ground, we're always getting this one. Oh, but then it should be in LF, but yeah, this part's weird. I don't know if I want to like. I don't like that. Trolley cubes. Technically, it shouldn't. Early dash. Early dash. Ugh. Oh. See, what the hell is happening here? Let's see. We dash. Come on, I want to. Oh my god, please. Oh, there we go. We dashed into this wall. We started bouncing, and then I pressed dash again, and then we're forced into that lock. So mid dash. I'm gonna make a platformer game. Do you have any sage advice? Yes. My advice is don't do that. I didn't say precision platformer. An imprecise platformer. Impractical platformer. If in pre-twilight, maybe we should say if you did an early. When is this set to true? Reset dash on enter bars. I know what we have to do. If you are in the middle of a dash, and you're not holding the dash input, if early dashed, we could do this. Early dashed, and then if early dashed. Let me see. I want to see how this looks. I think this is it. I think we've done it. The solution was there all along. We just had to write it. Oh. This is a part of the game, don't worry. Hop, hop, hop. All right, let's go back into... Let's make sure we didn't break anything else. Oh, when did I say I was gonna leave? I said 12:30. In 4 hours. In 45 minutes. Oh yeah. Look how precise this game is. Look how perfect it is. Has anyone ever made a game like this? I don't think so. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, come on. Oh shit. It's pixel perfect. Ignore the clipping, the not dying part. Wow. Who made this game? Is this a Celeste mod? Is this Celeste 2? Are you going into that wall? Don't worry about it. You didn't see anything. No hacking? You think I can beat my own game without cheating? It's impossible. Oh god. Looks like you can't beat it. Yeah. Hacking actually makes it, or like cheating sort of makes it harder. Because then you just keep trying to play. Here, I'll turn it off. Oh god. This part is too precise, or like, yeah, we recently redesigned this section, so, or messed with it, and it's not perfect at all. It's like it's still not perfect. It's pretty bad. Yeah, it's very poorly designed. Could be better. Oh no, it's perfect actually. It's perfect. Oh no, it's terrible. It's the worst room ever. Oh my goodness. Who the flip made this room? Come on. Yeah, it should be better though. It should be a lot. That little section right there should be tighter. Doesn't really tell you where you need to go. Here, I'll fix it right now. Yeah, I think we're good now, which is a relief. We're done. We're done making updates to this mechanic for the most part, I think. So yeah, the idea is you dash down. And then we could even make this tighter too. I think. I'll do this. Autofill tiles. Hopefully, oh, this is supposed to be erased. I don't know. We were. It's very important. Come on. Update for us. Please. Save. There we go. Oh no. There we go. Oh. Yes. It's perfect. The most perfect of designs. Yes. Yes. We have infinite dashes at the moment. That's not good. But it's good. It's good. It's in a much better state than it was like last week. And it doesn't mess with our designs too much. But I will have to go back and make some updates. But yeah, I'll call it here. Thanks for hanging out, people. Who's online? Hi, Tennis. Captain Coder. So many people to choose from. Thanks for streaming. Thanks for hanging out, Tomer and Camilos. Who should we go for? Hello, Fryheart. Pigorly, I'll see ya. I'll miss you, I guess. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Pigorly, Camilos, Tomer, Backhop, everybody lurking. If you want to wish list my game, you can find it here. Pigorly's going to Godot confirmed. Is this true? Yo, Kent, I'll see ya. Have a good one. No Godot for you? It's true, you've confirmed it. Oh, if people want to join my Discord, you know, you can join that too. If you want to join another server, where I post my announcements and stuff. Alrighty.